Hello friends, in this session we are going to discuss how to install VNC server on Google Compute Engine nodes or virtual machines so that we can get Ubuntu desktop to do GUI based work on hdfs. So first we have to create a firewall rule because firewall rules are applied to virtual machines by applying firewall tags. So first we have to create firewall rules, and we will go here, app engine, firewall rules, and once firewall rules are created, then firewall rules are used to accept TCP IP connections, and the ports for TCP IP connections are started from 59012 to 5910. 59012 to 5910. So compute engines or VM instances, click on node 1, click on default, and this is tab of firewall rules. Then we click on, now we can see here different incoming connections name are here. Then we click on create firewall rule, then give any name. I am giving VNC server, and network is default, priority is already set 1000, and ingress, set ingress means rule is for all incoming connection. Then we click on allow for incoming connections. Then targets, specified target tags, and name of target tag is VNC server, and we have to tag this VNC server on node 1, node 2, node 3, node 4, and source filter is IP ranges, and we will allow from any source IP here. For it we have to take 0.0.0.0 IP address, and this IP address allow all source IP addresses. Then specified protocols and ports, and we have to write here TCP colon 5901 to 5910. Then create it, and this is created. Name is VNC server and tag is VNC server here. Now apply this firewall tag on all nodes. We click on edit of node 1, and we have to write tag name here VNC server, and save it. Save. Then we will go to another node, edit, VNC server tag here, save the details. Thus we can apply tags on node 3 and node 4. We click on compute engine, VM instances here, and we will go towards cloudera manager by writing port number 7180. Username is admin. Password is admin. This is secure shell command prompts for node 1, node 2, node 3, node 4. Now, now we have to install a tight VNC server or tight VNC client for 64-bit Windows operating system. This is my Windows 8 64-bit operating system. So I have installed tight VNC server here. So this is tight VNC viewer. .exe, click on this and provide your external IP of node 1 or node 2. If you tag VNC server on nodes, then you can use that external IP address. And for node 1, IP address is 35.188.114.205. I have copied it and then in DNC viewer I will paste and I will write 5901 port number for TCP IP connection. Then I will click on connect. So there is error because we have not installed Ubuntu desktop on any node, so it shows error here. So first we have to install Ubuntu desktop and there will be some changes. After that we will be able to see the Ubuntu desktop to do work. So for node, we are taking node 1 here, and for installation of VNC server, the first step is create firewall rules that we have created. Then we will copy this command and paste on node 1. Update is required here. This is updation. And we will install Ubuntu desktop. Continue, yes. it will take time to install Ubuntu desktop. And then we install gnome panel, gnome setting daemon, metacity, nautilus, gnome terminal, and VNC for server. Click enter. Yes. Now we will allow enable firewall for VNC server. So we have to type the command ufw allow firewall allow. Click rules updated. Then we will set password for VNC server. Password, we can give any password. Then we will edit startup file and we can see the contents of this file. So these are the contents of startup file, which is then press escape and then shift colon Q for quit. And we will take backup of this startup file. By cp command, we are copying this startup file into a backup file. Then we have to make following changes on startup file. Insert mode, press I, and we have to make some changes here. We have to copy these statements: gnome panel, gnome setting daemon, metacity, nautilus, gnome terminal. Then escape column WQ. Save this work, press enter. Then you can reboot the system. or click copy VNC server here, and now you can connect VNC server here. This was external IP. Then click on connect, password, okay, and we will type reboot. It is taking some time. And this is the error that we have to reconnect the connection. Now we will type VNC server, and this is desktop is node 1. Then we will connect again vncvo.exe external IP. Then we will click on connect, password, click on OK. So this is our desktop. You can see here. This is our Ubuntu desktop. So this is our GUI Ubuntu desktop, and we can create file on desktop. And this is our command prompt, root @node 1, and we can create multiple command prompts for different nodes. This is our desktop. Computer, these are the folders inside computer, desktop, home, desktop, and we can create any text file here, and we can write some content on this text file, and we can store on hdfs. So we will do this work in next session. So this was regarding how to install VNC server so that we can get GUI based operating system to do work with hdfs. So these are the simple syntax. So we have to reboot and then click on VNC server. Then after that we have to write exit command, then again exit. So our node 1 connection is closed here. So we have to repeat activity for all the nodes.